Hello everyone, it is Susan here and welcome to my channel. So today I have something super fun and exciting to share with all of you. So I participated in an ATC Swap and the hashtag is ATC Swap 2024 and it is hosted by Paper Confessions with Cara as well as Nikita 2471, and you will find their links in my description box, as well as everybody that played along with this particular swap. It was a lot of fun, tons and tons and tons of fun. So my swap partner is the traveling crafter, who is Angela, and you will also find her link below. But the theme was either a retro woman, a vintage lady, or a modern girl. So Angela and I, we emailed, back and forth, and we both thought retro woman was good, was, really great. And so that's the theme that we are going with. Now, mind you, everybody's links below. If they have a YouTube channel, they are going to have a video that goes live today that will also show them making their ATC. So, yeah, so I decided, I put so much thought into this. After thinking and thinking and thinking, I'm like, I'm overthinking. I just need to stop, right? So I'm just going to go with what I love. And what I love is to collage. So that was the first layer that you saw me put down. I used some music paper, just little scraps, some old vintage wallpaper. Yeah, just stuff that I had in my little bin. And then I used a little bit of the Dino Wakley paint and in sand, and I dried it all off really good. And now I'm using this stencil. I don't know where I got this stencil from, but I just want to put a little hint of this design on this card. I don't want it to be in your face. I want it to be soft, and it is. So see all those dots, all those circles? That's the stencil, and it's exactly what I wanted. I just wanted, one more layer, so to speak, onto the front of this ATC card. So since we're doing retro women or retro woman, I had that woman that right there that I cut out from actually a piece of scrapbook paper that I had in my stash. And I thought she was perfect, and I was keeping it neutral colors, right? It's not monochromatic, but it is neutral colors. And this little Harper's Bazaar, oh my gosh, remember that magazine from way back when? I thought it was perfect. When I found that in my stash, I'm like, oh my gosh, I have to use that. So, yeah, so I'm kind of making it not really, but kind of like the front of a Harper's Bazaar magazine. So yeah, so it's just a lot of fun. And I'm just going to outline, this lady that I cut out. I just don't want her to have like white edges showing, and it just gives a nice finished look when you edge, the pieces that you might cut out. And I'm using my favorite liquid adhesive, which is the Aqua Tombow Mono Adhesive. Never, ever, ever does this stuff clog up. It just doesn't. I've used it for many years, and I have never once had a clog. So if you're looking for a really good adhesive that doesn't clog, this is it. And you'll just see me from time to time I'm going to take like my old kitchen towel and just kind of press down as I'm gluing things on here. And that does two things. I use that to try to keep the glue off of my fingers and obviously to push down the pieces that I'm gluing to make sure that they're going to adhere. And then I'm just playing with these little pieces. Those two little black flowers I found in one of my bins. Somebody sent them to me at some point in time. I don't know where they came from, but they were, I thought, perfect for this retro look. And then that little, almost like a little jar, so to speak, that black that has a saying on it. That was from an ephemera pack that I've had for years and years and years. I don't remember the name of it. I think it was Kaiser Craft. But it says, be as awesome as you can. And I just thought it was perfect for this, you know. Yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and get this second flower down. And, you know, again, I'll just mention, please go and watch everybody's videos that participated in this swap. Make sure you say hi to everybody. You know, and yesterday, we actually had videos on the card that we received. So if you want to see the card that I received from Angela, check out my video from yesterday. I'll try to remember to put a link in my description box, but I might forget. So it would just have been from yesterday. I decided to use some of this washi. There was just a little bit of open space at the bottom of this card. And this washi looks like film, like old movie film. And I just thought it kind of went with the whole theme of Harper's Bazaar and, you know, just, I don't know. It just made sense to me to put it on there. And I like it. So I'm going to go ahead and use some more of my archival ink. And let's get these edges done. And I'm almost done, but I do one more thing here that I think really gives a nice final touch. I'm going to take my black Stabilo all pencil, and I am just going to give a really rough, loose outline around everything. I don't want it to be a solid outline. I want it to be loose, and you know, and when you rub this, it does blend just a little bit, but I go ahead and outline not only the retro woman, but the flowers as well, and then that that piece of ephemera with the saying on it. And yeah, so I'm super happy with the way that this came out. I'm going to lift it up so that you see it up close. And yeah, please check everybody out. Let me know what you think of this. And thank you so much, Cara and Nikita, for putting on this swap. It was great fun. Bye-bye, everybody.